Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. It's Harumi from Okei-san.japaneseteaplus. Today, I'll be showing you how to make Hojicha. Starting off, you'll need a camping stove if you're making Hojicha outdoors or stovetop indoors, and horoku, which is a traditional tea roaster. You'll also need a teapot and green tea leaves of any type. The steps of making your own Hojicha are very simple. Firstly, warm the horoku on the stove. If the tea leaves are too small, ensure that you don't overheat the horoku. Now shift green tea into the horoku. Here I have 5 grams of shiraore, which are petioles and are usually translated as stem tea. While roasting the tea, pay attention to the color and aroma of the leaves. When it turns brown or starts to produce smoke, it's time to take off the horoku from the stove. You may still keep moving the horoku while it's warm. Shift the leaves into a teapot. Bring boiling water and pour it over the roasted leaves. Wait about 30 seconds and start to pour into a teacup. How simple is that? There is no need to buy new tea if you have tea that is old. If you can make Hojicha from tea in your pantry, you'll be able to taste 2 different flavors from 1 packet of tea. This is a great way to enjoy unused tea. Today, for this tutorial, I have used the horoku. Have you heard of this before? It is made from clay and can roast anything, not only tea but also sesame seeds and coffee beans. If you don't have a horoku, a frying pan would be a fine alternative. Have fun making Hojicha!